Hey y'all, it's another tutorial by your girl Judy Carrasco. I am going to be shampooing my hair, starting off with Art of Beauty Products, the Rejuvenate Scalp Exfoliator. You want to exfoliate your scalp because how many of y'all are tired of the flakes on your scalp? You're tired of your scalp feeling so stuffy. You're tired of your hair not growing properly. It could be because you need to exfoliate your scalp, okay? And I recommend this whether you have a dandruff issue, a seborrheic dermatitis issue or not. I like to do it twice, give it a good rinse, and then I'm going to go in with my Purity sulfate-free shampoo. You want to use sulfate-free shampoo because it helps to remove the oils and the heavy buildup without dehydrating the natural oils. You see the consistency. It keeps the natural oils in the hair, thus also to helping the hair to have a nice natural shine and added moisture, okay? And I like to make sure I work the product all the way in. And when you're rinsing the hair, use a nozzle. Make sure you lift the hair, go in between. Using now the scalp therapy conditioner, you focus this on the scalp because it has biotin in it. And also too, it helps with the fermented rice ingredients that help with stimulating the follicles, producing, a great environment for the hair to grow properly. I'm working in on the ends, my hydrate conditioner, 10 minutes. Ooh, that water's cold. You know how you got to arch your back. Going in and rinsing that out again, lifting the hair, using the nozzle to push, make sure all the product is coming out. And now we're using a microfiber towel because it helps with keeping the hair from freezing. Boop, boop, and a boop. That's a turban wrap for you. Now I'm going to go in with the roller set. I'm a roller set girl. And of course, I'm using the setting products from Art of Beauty Products, starting with the Composure Thermal Spray. It's a heat protectant. I love it because it's also a roller set. You can use it before you blow dry. Then I use the Finesse All-in-One Styler on the ends. A little water in the ear, don't hurt nobody. And then I use the Abundant Smooth just on my edges because I was due for a relaxer retouch and my edges were a little bit on the a lot of new growth side. So I like to use a roller set weekly in my hair because my hair is fine by nature. And then boom, on base, off base. Where my cosmetologist at? Boop, boop. I like to use the roller set because the roller set gives me a lot of body, right? And once I roller set my hair, I don't blow dry my hair. And then I'm going to sit under the dryer. So, a roller set, we got to get back to the roller sets because the roller sets keep the hair nice and healthy. And your girls on the dryer, got to have my snack, my K-dramas, boom, boom, 45 minutes later. Here we are taking the rollers out. And one thing I love about a good roller set is I can literally just wrap my hair, put my silk serum in it and go. But I'm going out tonight. It was my birthday and my husband surprised me with tickets to go see Yu. It is a K-drama or a Chinese drama opera. So it was so exciting. So I'm literally just going in with one pass, adding some little curls, bending the wrist, bloop, bloop, bloop. I use my heat protectant serum, which is called Preserve. And right now what I'm doing is just doing a little bit of pin curls to get it out the way. I am doing this so that I can go ahead and do my makeup. And I'm adding my scalp refresher serum, which is an elixir that helps with adding moisture to the scalp, a little bit of moisturizer on my skin, a little bit of La Base by Lancome, which is a primer, going in with a NYX brow pencil, a very fine brow pencil, doing the brows. Are y'all brows girls, or do y'all start with your brows first, or do y'all actual foundation? I always start with my brows first. That's just how I learned, and it just kind of stuck with me, going in, making sure the detail is detailing, going in and sharpening it back up. What y'all think? And then I just smooth it out with a flat brush, going in with my Clinique SPF. Oh, child. A hot mess. My SPF makeup full coverage foundation. I love this foundation because it has the SPF in it, and it helps also to even out the skin tone. I'm not a big makeup person. Like, I don't do contouring and all that. Just going in with a basic NYX pressed powder, a little bit of LA Girl, a little bit of highlight on the cheekbone from Laura Mercier, a little bit of razzle dazzle. Okay, cat eye, go ahead, girl. All right. A little bit of berry fade highlight. Yeah, I had to slow it down for y'all. Who I'm running out of breath. God. Anyway, so and then as my hair was setting, I love pin curling because it helps to set the curls in place. Y'all can see I need a lot of volume for my hair because my hair again is very fine. One time for y'all again. Let me show you one more again. That girl looking fine as wine. Oop, oop, oop. Here I am in the car, letting the sun hit it. Yeah, girl. And now we just made it to the Kravitz Center here in West Palm Beach, Florida. And we are going in to see Yu. They wouldn't let us go inside with a camera. So, and that's your girl. That's my man. Let me know if you like this tutorial. Peace.